Welcome, low ego action heroes. I'm Debbie Levitt from DeltaCX.com. We're a full service CX and UX agency. And a question I get a lot is, hey Deb, if you hate design sprints and design thinking and lean UX so much, what should we do instead if we want to have some sort of workshop or team exercise to collect ideas from other people? Great question. Now, I'm not against collecting ideas from other people, but I am against lean UX design thinking and design sprints for a million reasons. See every other video on this channel. I'm not even going to put something above my head. And what I like to do is what I call an ideation workshop. Now, I called it an ideation workshop in my book, but I found that that's getting confused with design thinking ideate phase. So think about it more as an idea generating workshop or a brainstorming workshop. And I think it can take anywhere from maybe a few hours to a full day. And I would start with first sharing all of the research that you have. Hopefully you've got great qualitative CX and UX research. Hopefully you have videos of customers and quotes from them and all kinds of data and task analyses and maybe personas if you're doing them right. And then I work on collecting ideas for the particular product or feature or challenge that we're facing. Now, the key to the way that I do it and why I like it so much, though you may have a different opinion, is I don't make anybody draw anything. Not everybody is a visual thinker. Not everybody is comfortable trying to figure out exactly how a screen looks and works. Very often people aren't sure. They draw some boxes and they throw a button on and they don't really know. And let's face it, they don't have to know. They're not experts in our fields. Usually these people are engineers, marketers, project, stakeholders, subject matter experts. They don't have to be good at what we're good at. They don't have to be good at interaction design or accessibility or Gestalt principles or cognitive psychology or information architecture. They can suck at all that, but still give us great ideas. And so I have them do ideas in the form of a user story. So as a user type or group or persona, I need this because of the task I'm trying to accomplish or the efficiency I'm looking for or the improvement I need or for whatever reason. Tries to keep them focused on the user rather than what they like for themselves. And then now we have an idea. We don't have the exact execution of the idea. We just have an idea. And that leaves it open for us in the CX and UX team or department to come up with different executions. It also means that people are not as in love with any particular execution, which I think happens a lot in those other workshops where someone sketched something, we all voted on it, we love it, now we expect that to be in the product, whether or not it tests well with users. Hey, everybody loved Pat's idea. Why aren't we doing it? So rather than go for that awkwardness, I just go for the ideas. What's the general concept? We'll figure out the right execution later. Let's not be held back by anything that we imagine could limit us. What's that big idea? And then when I use that idea or a variation of it, I make sure to credit the person who gave the idea by name. I say this feature has this included in it because Pat had that great idea during the brainstorming session. Thanks to Pat. And people love that because they feel listened to and included, and they know I'm not taking credit for their ideas. And if you want to talk about team building, that's team building. So that's my suggestion for what to do instead of aspirology workshops and gluing macaroni on a plate. I hope this has helped. Join us on the Twitch live streams. We're deltacx.com, written all out with letters. You can also subscribe here on the YouTube channel. Hit that like button and let the algorithm know this was pretty good. You can join our Slack workspace, which is totally free. We've got over 450 people there now, and optional tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.